How do you find relaxation? Perhaps it's listening to the waves or the wind in the trees, a walk in nature hearing the birds sing, or the pitter-patter of rain on a rooftop. Whatever it is, close your eyes, focus on your breath, and find your sense of calm. Welcome to the Tea Tree Hemp experience.
In a world full of busy, salons throughout the world have embraced the indulgence of water and the magic of tea tree. Experiential, from calming to energizing. Sensorial, aromatherapeutic, botanically infused formulas. Eco-minded, sustainable packaging. The magic began in 1987 with the introduction of a special Australian ingredient, tea tree, which washes away impurities, leaving hair and scalp fresh, clean, full of vitality and luster. This award-winning brand features the renowned tea tree magic experience. Now let's talk about the opportunity. The Tea Tree brand is loved worldwide and featured as the #1 best-selling JPMS product with the famous Tingle, Tea Tree Special Shampoo. We're building on this success with a new category, creating a huge opportunity for incremental sales. According to Forbes, the global hemp market is projected to reach $26 billion by 2025, an increase of 34%. Often called the miracle green crop due to its many uses and benefits, hemp continues to gain popularity, making it a huge trend category. Mintel has confirmed that 41% of US millennials have heard of hemp seed oil and look for it in products they purchase. Green roots, green future. Plant a tree, change the world. We've made a commitment to plant 1 million trees by the end of 2022 in partnership with Reforest Action. Over the course of their lifespans, those trees will remove 150,000 tons of CO2 from the atmosphere. One mature tree over its lifetime also creates 3 new animal habitats, 4 months of oxygen, and creates 1 hour of work for a local farmer. And we're planting 1 million. As far as our long-standing commitment to the environment, our products are phasing into PCR, post-consumer recycled packaging, to reduce the use of virgin plastic. We will be 100% vegan by the end of 2021, use only 100% Australian tea tree oil sourced from farms certified for their ethical sourcing practices, and of course, all products, as always, are cruelty-free. Over the past 34 years, the Tea Tree family has grown to include a curated, sensorial, aromatherapeutic collection of products organized by hair type and need. Tea Tree Special and Special Color Care, Tea Tree Lavender Mint, Tea Tree Lemon Sage, Tea Tree Scalp Care, and now introducing Tea Tree Hemp. Tea Tree Hemp delivers an earthy, mind-balancing aromatherapy experience. Inspired by the ancient Japanese practice of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, it is known to be therapeutic for physical and mental well-being. This essence is captured in our fragrance, bringing the forest right to your wash house and shower. Take a deep breath as your senses are greeted by a fragrance as fresh as an evergreen forest.
So what is hemp? Hemp is a plant that people have used for hundreds of years to make textiles, rope, paper, and more. It's versatile, has many beneficial qualities, and is known to be an excellent source of nutrients. Tea Tree Hemp utilizes the highly restorative properties of hemp oil and extracts in 3 ways to replenish and revive hair and skin. Nutrient-rich hemp seed oil is high in nourishing essential fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6, to hydrate and protect hair and skin. We use upcycled hemp extracts, a valuable, protein-rich resource that's also sustainable. While hemp is often harvested only for its oil, leaving the rest of the seed behind, we use more of the plant to fully harness its power. That means more ingredient benefits in the product and less waste going into a landfill. Tea Tree Hemp is also driven by innovation. We use a unique, gentle, hemp-based cleanser made from the seeds of the hemp plant as an alternative to sulfate-based surfactants. What is the difference between hemp and CBD? CBD is a compound that is derived from the hemp plant. It's extracted from the flowers, leaves, and stems, while hemp oil and extracts are derived from the seeds. While it is possible for CBD to contain trace amounts of THC, the hemp seed oil and extracts used in Tea Tree Hemp products do not contain any mind-altering ingredients.
Tea Tree Hemp. Balance, nourish, restore. It's a retreat for your senses. The Tea Tree Hemp category has been developed to satisfy the needs and expectations for multifunctional 2-in-1 hair and body products. Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Shampoo and Body Wash 2-in-1 Cleanser gently cleanses, soothes, and moisturizes from head to toe. Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Conditioner and Body Lotion for 2-in-1 hydration helps restore and hydrate hair and skin in one simple step. Tea Tree Hemp multitasking spray all-in-one style prep hydrates, nourishes, and detangles while adding soft style memory, frizz control, and shine. Tea Tree Hemp replenishing hair and body oil 2-in-1 moisture balance gives hair and skin a replenishing boost of hydration, while nutrient-rich hemp seed oil soothes, softens, and adds shine. Each of these formulas feature our nature-immersive fragrance to indulge the senses and are formulated for all hair and skin types.
So the best part about Tea Tree is that it's all about an experience. It's all about the ingredients, whether you're looking for lavender, whether you're looking to be energized with the lemon, whether you're looking for that tingle from the tea tree and now the hemp. The best part again is that it's an experience. It's something that you can bring into your salon, that your guests can bring home. It reminds them of your same great business that they come to. It performs, it's amazing, it smells great, it feels great, and it's color safe.
I think now more than ever before, it's time to elevate the guest experience. Things like Tea Tree elevate the experience. It's the indulgence of water, it's feeling the tingle, whether you're using the lather lounge, the wash house, or the sanctuary, and this will absolutely lead to take-home sales. It's no secret that the favorite part of the guest journey is the shampoo. Using Tea Tree Hemp is going to help them get involved in the experience of the product, and also 8 out of 10 clients are going to want to take that product home when given the professional recommendation. As we all know, Tea Tree is a mega brand. It's already earned a part in our take-home shelves because it does so well. Tea Tree Hemp's going to fit right into that. Now's an opportunity to really expand upon that and find new ways to merchandise and to get every single client taking it home with them.
Thank you for being part of the Tea Tree Hemp launch experience.